Hey, all right, traders. So, how you doing this week, guys? So, we're going to look at this coming week, which will be April the 20th to the 24th. So, stay tuned right after the intro. Alrighty then. So, the first market then will be the euro dollar. So, we can see here this is a descending channel. And with this coronavirus, is whipsawing through this with these fake breakouts. So, just give it a sec. Okay, so let's go into the 4 hour and we can see what I'm looking at for trade setups for this coming week and beyond. So I'm looking for price to come back down into this 1.0788. So if we can get price to come back into this area, I'm looking for a buy up to the first target, which will be the 1.0980. And if we can get a pullback, quite possibly something like this, we are looking at a pullback to this area and then to our second target, which will be the 1.1145. So this is what we're looking at for in the euro dollar. Okay, so the next market, the pound dollar. So we can see the actual price is coming back into this descending channel, yeah, so on the day candle. So let's go into the 4 hour and see what setups I'm looking at. So for this week then, if we can get price to break this bottom part of the descending channel back into this actual resistance area here, which is the 1.2580, I'll be definitely looking for a formation to start here to our first target then, which will be our first TP1, which will be the 1.2750. And if we can get a pullback then for our second target then, going up to the 1.2935 in the pound dollar. All right. So the next market then is the dollar yen. Okay, so what I'm looking at then is what we're looking at is, okay, so I'm looking for, if this support line here at the 107.29 holds, I'm looking for a pull, looking for a trade buy to up here. Once it goes past this actually trend line here on the bearish side, actually this is the first target that I'm looking for, which is the 108.95. yeah, once this actually support line here holds, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And then if we get a pullback back to this on the top of this actually trend line, I'll be looking for then a second target then for the 109.85 in the pound, or in the dollar yen. All right, so the next market then be the dollar Canadian. Okay, so we have a descending channel, and in the day candles, let's go into the 4 hour. So what I'm looking for here then is a little pullback up to, okay, so if we can get a pullback, the market to come back into this actual resistance and holds this resistance line at the 1.40835, I'll be looking for a further continuation down to this target here, being the 1.3725 on the actual dollar Canadian. Okay. The next market being gold, ascending channel, and then we have a severe on the day's candle, So let's look on the actual 4 hours. Let's look on the 4 hours what I'm looking for on the gold. So gold, it has broken this channel, but I'm looking for it to hold here, this support line here, this support line at 1640. If this holds on this support line, I'm looking for a target of the first target. So the first target then will be 1738, and then if we get a pullback, and then our second target then I'm looking for is the 1785 on gold, guys. All right. Okay, so our next market is the Dow Jones. So the Dow Jones is an absolute huge mover. It's just absolutely insane. Like, I mean, from this 1 month, we're looking at like over 11,000 pips. This is after moving, yeah. So it's like incredible. It's, you just go back, we can zoom out here. You can see it wasn't until the actual 2016 on July, so that's taken actually like just 4 years to move this 11,000 pips, and in 1 month it has just dropped down, yeah. So just an absolutely mental market, this one. So let's go into the actual 4 hour and have a look at some of these setups. Okay, guys, so what I'm looking for this week is if we can get a little pullback to this support line here, yeah, to the 24050. I'll be looking for a move up to the TP1, which is the 25000, and then if we get a bit of a pullback, and then for our second TP is the 25800. So this is in the Dow Jones, guys. Okay, all right, guys, so look, this is it for this week. So leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, take care. Thanks. Okay, traders, that's it for this week from Trading with Harmony. This is Tommy. Talk to you later, guys.